Stupid?
Yeah, breaking the memory. Come on.
Oh, okay. Let's follow the camera. Legend's gonna show us.
I can't get up here. I'm too fat. Wait, are these dogs still out?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. I'm not doing it. On the board. Oh yeah. Kick flip. Feel perfect.
I really wanted to push you into the ditch. So, I decided.
Our channel's nothing but trash, so let me just
Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks. You cameraman, how are you?
Shut up, you squeaker. Okay, what should I do now?
Huh? No.
Did I ask you? I asked the fans. I asked the viewers that are one viewer per minute, which I love you.
Gay.
Come on. I wasn't talking to you, stupid squeaker. Run through these bushes. Oh yeah. Jump over the electric box. And jump on that rock. Or should I do parkour?
I don't know.
Shut up! I did not ask you.
Sorry.
We're just gonna run. Oh, never mind. We're doing parkour. Parkour. That was faked. Let's do something real. Okay, we're gonna try to pick up this car. I can't do that. I'm gonna leave fingerprints. We're gonna jump and touch this. I can't jump. I'm too fat. Let's go. Hey guys. Welcome to MTV, my crib. My disappointment crib. Because all I am is a disappointment to my parents and to me. Which is why I decided to touch this electric fence.
Yeah, I don't